In this video, we show you our DTF Reflective Holographic Film, how it looks, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Josh from Kingdom. Welcome one more time to the channel. But if this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So in today's video, guys, we're going to show you a little bit of our DTF Reflective Holographic Film. That's right, so this means that it's going to look like a regular DTF, but once the light hit that or you're looking at a different angle, it's going to reflect a different color. So our friend Patrice is going to show you step by step how to use it and how it's going to look. So she did I think a black design, so it's going to work also on black, you know, like it's one color design. But if you got multiple colors, that's going to be a game changer, so stay tuned.
All right, y'all, so if this is your first time here, I'm Patrice. Thank you for being here. Please be sure to look at the other content, and if you enjoy that content, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. So Kingdom DTF is always sending me surprise packages in the mail, so shout out to them for sending me this package, and we are going to take a peek and see what it is and what we can do with it. Now, for those of you who don't know, typically Kingdom DTF sends me items that I can use with my DTF printer, or different supplies that I can use with DTF printing. And DTF printing is direct to film, meaning that you are printing directly onto a piece of film, which is different from paper, and that allows you to be able to place your images onto cotton and other various materials. DTF is where it's at right now. So let's look and see what they sent to me. I will show it up close. So from what it looks like, they sent some sample of reflective holographic film, and I'm pretty interested in seeing how this is going to press. So I need to print out a design, and so we're going to print out something for one of our students' birthdays. Our student is turning 21 years old, and we are going to make him a shirt. Now, what I do like about DTF is that, at least right now, DTF is kind of new, especially for home-based printers. But y'all, they are coming up with so many different film that we can use for different projects. There's glitter film, there's glow in the dark film, and now there is a reflective holographic film. So I'm really interested in seeing how this is going to work. So let me find an image. I'm going to just pull something off of Creative Fabrica, print it out onto the film, and we're going to press this and see how it works. So let's get started. All right, guys, so here is the sample film that they sent to me, and they sent me quite a bit again. Kingdom DTF, thank you. And I am just going to remove the masking tape for now so that we can get a closer look at the film itself. And so there is a clear matte side and a shiny side. So here you guys can tell the difference. So this side is shiny and this side is matte. So typically with DTF printing, you're going to be printing on the side that is more matte as opposed to the actual shiny glossy side. All right, so this is the film up close and personal. I'm just going to cut a piece off and get ready to print our design, but this is what we have. And it's actually a lot thicker than regular DTF film. I don't know if you guys can really tell, like when I hold it up, you can't really even see through it, Once I put it down, you can kind of see through it, but if you see like it's kind of discolored here, so this is a lot thicker. We're gonna get ready to load the printer with the paper, and the matte side is going to be facing front. The glossy side is what's going to be on back. And here is what it looks like, and it looks exactly how it's supposed to look. I don't really notice the holographic component to it just yet. And like any other DTF print, we are powdering the back. I only let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I began to powder it to make sure that that adhesive stuck onto there, but that ink did not run or anything, so it's good. So now I've cured the print, and I cured it inside of my curing oven, and we are going to be using this Bavor auto heat press to press our shirt. Now I am just pre-pressing it for a few seconds just to make sure I get any moisture out. So here is our design. That white looks amazing. It's all cured, and now we are going to simply place this on top of the shirt and line it up for the first press. Okay guys, so we are going to press this at 325 degrees for 25 seconds. Okay, so the press is complete, and I'm just going to remove this and let this cool off. I believe this is a cold peel. So now it's cooled off, and we're going to peel the film from on top. I'm going to test it out first, a little slow, but it's peeling off beautifully. And I hope you guys can see how reflective it is. I'm definitely going to try this with some, like with different colors to see. Uh-oh, I peeled it up too much over there, but it's fine. I'm going to press that on, and then now we're going to press it one more time for about 15 seconds. Oh, you definitely can see it. I don't know if you guys can really. Let's see if I can bring it up closer. I don't think you guys can really see how reflective it is. Alright guys, I'm trying to see if you can see the effect of the reflective holographic film. I can see it here, but I don't know if you can. All right, guys, don't pay attention to this messy dust. This is Terrell's messy dust. But if you guys see, like when I move around, yes, you could definitely see the effect. Flip, you see the effect?
Yes, I do. I'm seeing it from here. It's like reflecting here.
Yeah, different colors. So I think if I use like a more colorful image, it probably will really show even more. But it shows a lot.
Alright guys, so that's the video. You have there the DTF Reflective Holographic Film, how it looks, how it feels, and believe me, it's not because we sell it, but it works. I mean, this DTF that they're coming on the market from the manufacturers, it works. So we were the first company to introduce the glitter right here in the US. Then we introduced the glow in the dark that you see the video, and if you have not seen it, go ahead a couple of back video so you can watch that video for the glow in the dark, and now the reflective holographic. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for being part of this community, a DTF community, you know, DTF Academy, Kingdom DTF, on all of that. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next one. As always, keep printing.